Hi there, students. To convey as a verb, or a conveyance as a noun. To convey means to move something from one place to another. Water is conveyed through this copper pipe. The electrical wires convey electricity. The sound is conveyed through the air. Please would you convey this letter to my uncle in the US, or please convey my best wishes when you see him. Okay, we can also use convey to mean to communicate, to send a message, to make known, to explain an idea, to get somebody to understand. So the meaning of some words can be very difficult to convey to students. On the other hand, some words are easy to convey. Imagine trying to convey the idea of blue to a blind person. I think the concept could be impossible to convey. In law, we can use this word as well. A conveyance, to convey, to transfer a legal right from one person to another. The conveyance is the document that transfers this legal right. When you buy a house in the UK, the lawyer does the conveyance or the conveyancing. So he transfers the title into your name, transfer of rights. So, yeah, effectively it's transferring from one place to another. Convey, to transport from one place to another. The taxi conveyed me to the airport. The boatman conveyed me across the river. He conveyed an air of confidence to his audience. Now, you have a couple of phrases in English. A public conveyance. This is a bit old-fashioned, but it's a bus or a train. It's some type of shared transport that anybody can use if they pay. A public conveyance. It conveys you from one place to another. Or you can also have a conveyor belt. When you go to the supermarket and you go to the checkout, there's this rubber belt, this rubber thing that you put the things that you've bought on, and it moves slowly towards the cashier. That is a conveyor belt. It is conveying your purchases to the cashier. So, next question, formality. I think I would give this word to convey 7.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation. I'd probably use the word to move. He moved the rock from one place to another. Or the taxi conveyed me, the taxi took me to the airport. So take as well. To convey is a regular verb. The taxi conveyed me. Many different taxis have conveyed me to different places. Now, next question. What about origin? Well, there's an old French word, conveyer, to transport, to move. And that comes from medieval Latin, vulgar Latin. Convio, con together, and via, the way. Yeah, so yeah, the way together, to convey, to move, to transport. So to convey, to move from one place to another, to explain a meaning, to transmit an idea from one person to another, and in law to transfer a legal right from one person to another. So I hope I've conveyed the meaning of convey efficiently. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Convey, a conveyance.